Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to upload video on Facebook from Capcut. So, let's get started. First open your Capcut app on your iPhone. Then, make a new project if you want to. Or if you already have projects. Click on it. Do some editing if you want to. After editing, click on the top right export button. Then, it will start exporting, wait for it. After this it will show you a lot of options, click on Facebook logo. As you can see Facebook is opened. Now you can select who you want to share this video with. By clicking on the top button and selecting who you want share video to. You can also share this video to Instagram. By clicking on this button, then enabling it. After this add the title of the video. Then click on the post button on the top right corner. As you can see that video is uploading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.